Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove a door handle from a Ford Focus. This is the ST model, which has the little wiring that goes into the door handle for the touch sensitive thing. But I'm actually currently wrapping this car, so it has this cool crazy design on the side. But I'm going to show you how to remove the door handle. So first off, you're going to have to open the door, obviously. And then on the inside, let me get some light here. Here we go. You're going to see this, there's a little screw here. You're not going to touch that. There's going to be this little cap. You're actually going to pop out the cap. And once the cap is out, it just pretty much looks like this. There's just a few little tabs that hold it into place. And then you're just going to go ahead and set it off to the side. Next, you're going to grab a Torx 20. So this is a Torx screwdriver, which kind of has like that little star head. All right, so what we're going to do with the Torx is inside that little hole, I don't know if you can really see it, there's actually a screw right there. So you can kind of see like the screw head. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your Torx screwdriver and you're actually going to go right in there. You're going to start to loosen that screw. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to start to loosen this screw. So you're going to have to loosen it for a little while. There's kind of a long screw. And you're going to want to hold on to the little lock portion of it. So you're going to keep unscrewing it. And then you're going to pull a little bit on the lock. It's starting to wobble just a little bit. So I need to go a little bit further. And then you're going to hit a point where the lock assembly just pulls straight out. So you can just go ahead and set that to the side. And then for the rest of the handle, you're actually going to slide it straight back. And then you're going to slide out the back portion. And then the front just swings right out. So this one is the ST, so it has like the little touch sensitive wires and whatnot in here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a flathead screwdriver, just something small. And right here on this left side, there's actually a little tiny slot. So you're going to stick it right inside of there. And it's going to push in a little tab. And then you want to just kind of pull and just wiggle this out. And it just pops right out, just like that. But you can see this is actually the plug that goes in. And now you can just go ahead and set this entire thing aside. Alright, so there we have it. That's removing the door handle on a Ford Focus. And like I said before, this is the ST model, which has the little wiring. And if you have a non-ST model, or even the back doors, for example, it's the exact same process. However, there is no wires on the back door handle or the I guess just like the base model. The STs and I think the RSs both have the little wiring and whatnot inside that you're going to have to unplug. But like I said, the normal ones and the back doors look just like this.